Welcome to another video. One of the biggest questions we've been asked is how do I clean my electric unicycle? We have been inundated with an email asking this question. Now we do have the answer. Rhino goo. Now you didn't know, did you? That's what you needed, but you do need it. That's exactly what we need. At the end of the video. Goodbye. Now, let's talk some more on this, shall we? So this is Fast Action Cleaner. I've actually been using this on my motorcycle trials bike for some time, and we thought, tell you what, shall we stock it? So we've got 750 kilograms of the stuff. And so what you might want to do is buy a 1 litre container of this, carton tub of this. And it comes with a little squeegee top. Let me show you. Whee! This is actually one of mine. It comes with a top like this. And all you do is you simply fit it and you spray it on your wheel. And you might want to agitate any dirt that's on there. Agitate is a word they actually use. So you just spray this on, you leave it for up to 5 minutes, but don't let it dry out entirely. You don't want to leave it in direct sunlight. Basically, find a place that's a bit shaded if it's summer, spray this over your wheel, and then you let it do its thing, and you simply rinse it down. Because one of the things you don't want to be doing with your electric unicycle is pressure washing it. So you spray this on, and it washes off. And it works amazingly well. So I say I've been using this now for about 12 months. And thought, tell you what, let's stock stuff. Rhino goo. And there are loads of cleaners out there. Muck Off being one of the most well-known brands, and that's marketing. They've done a really good job. This does the same thing. It cleans it off. It's just lesser known brand. And we find it works brilliantly. And I would have said slightly better than Muck Off. So yeah, and that's turned to trials bike. Now you've got oil off a chain and stuff like that going on with that, which you don't get on electric unicycles, but it just cleans it all off really, really nicely. Sometimes you just have to wipe it down with a dry cloth if you want to, if there's little streaks left over. But typically, for the amount of hassle I used to do, which was to have to get a brush out and wash every nook and cranny, what I'm finding is, like, especially with the wheels, but with the trials bike, where all the spokes are and the rim is, it just comes up like it's brand new, which is pretty remarkable really. No need to get a cloth between all the spokes. And it does the same with the wheel, so it just cleans off everything. It's brilliant. So you put it on 5 minutes and you wash it down. You don't need to pressure wash because you shouldn't be pressure washing anyway. It's minimal amount of water force essentially, which is what makes it good for the wheel. There's another product, put this one down now, you get the idea, don't you? You have that on top, which is Rhino Shine. What that does, you will use a lot of this if you're washing your wheel regularly, and use a little bit of this. So this cleans off all the dirt, you wash it down with water. There's a little bit of effort involved, getting the hose and sort of doing that at a distance, that sort of effort. With this one, the Rhino Shine, all you do is you just apply it to the outside of the wheel, again, not in direct sunlight, and you let it air dry. That's it. What this does, it makes your wheel look brand new. Same with the bike, it looks stonking when this is dried off. It's incredible. It looks a total mess when you apply it, so you put this on, it looks ridiculous. It looks like you poured milk all over it. But once it dries off, it looks absolutely brand new. Everything is shining. Can't recommend this enough if you want to showcase your wheel or your bike or your car. So this can be used across anything. So it's not just specific to motorbikes or unicycles. You can use it on anything. Real quick way of cleaning off your wheel with minimal pressure from water being applied. And this rounds it off really, really nicely. So you might buy that. And with both of these, if you buy this and you buy that, you get one of these sat on top. So it comes with it. You just fit it, undo the cap. It's a child-friendly cap. So what you do then is you apply that, you spray it on. What happens, you might say, when you're using more of this and you run out? Well, we sell at the same time the 5 litre tub. So you just refill this bottle and carry on. All of them are reasonably priced, and if you go to speedyfeet.co.uk, you can grab them all there. So there you go, and store these in a cool, dark place, essentially. Don't leave them in direct sunlight. otherwise it turns clear. So definitely recommend it. If you're unsure, give it a go and you will be raving about how good it is, and let everyone else know as well. So if you've got any questions, just comment below. This is non-hazardous stuff. So yeah, from that point of view, I think it's directions. If you drink some, it just says if you feel unwell, if swallowed, rinse mouth, get medical advice if you feel unwell. Keep out of reach of children. So it's bad for your eyes. Don't spray it in your eyes and don't drink it is the warning on the side there. So yeah, works really, really well. Clean your car, clean your motorbike, and most importantly, clean your wheels. So one of the areas where it works really well is foot plates. So when they're sandpaper finish across the top of them, you spray some of that on there, leave it 5 minutes, wash it down with a hose, and it pushes out all the dirt. So it even cleans up the foot plates, which are horrible to clean without this sort of stuff. So anyway, go and try it, and let us know how you get on. I'll see you on the next video.